Lagos State Strategic Command of the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, NDLEA, has convened a 3-day workshop aimed at strengthening collaboration among security stakeholders and the fight against drug abuse and illicit drug trafficking. The workshop themed Consolidating Synergy in Drug Control Efforts brought together key players in the security sector to enhance coordination, improve intelligence sharing, and develop unified strategies for drug prevention and control. In his welcome address, the commander of the NDLEA Lagos Strategic Command, ACGN Alwali, emphasized the importance of partnership among agencies, noting that no single institution can effectively tackle the drug menace alone. He said the initiative is designed to promote stronger interagency cooperation while building a more coordinated approach to drug abuse prevention, particularly within security formations and workplaces. The commander stressed that drug abuse remains a major threat to discipline, productivity, and national security, adding that continuous collaboration is essential to achieving lasting results.
Distinguished participants, the workplaces remain a critical environment where discipline, productivity, and integrity must be upheld. The menace of drug abuse threatens not only individual well-being but also operational efficiency, decision-making, and national security. It is therefore imperative that we equip our personnel with the knowledge and tools necessary to prevent, identify, and address drug-related issues within our respective organizations.
It is a responsibility for everyone. It is not a responsibility of a particular government agency or NGO or so, but it requires collaboration. That is why I must commend the NDLEA for organizing this training, especially within the law enforcement and security agencies, because they also need to have a good understanding of what put them at risk and how to address those challenges. Including people from other sectors, they need to come together to address this issue, to reverse the trend, because it is indeed a threat to public health and national safety and security.
The First Lady of Lagos State, represented by Mrs. Fumi Omotosho, and the Executive Secretary of the Lagos State Security Trust Fund, Dr. Ayogunson, were among the dignitaries present at the opening ceremony. Participants drawn from various security agencies are expected to engage in discussions, share experiences, and explore practical solutions aimed at strengthening the collective response to drug-related challenges.
Drug abuse remains one of the most pressing challenges confronting our communities today. It affects not only the individuals involved, it affects their families, friends, workplaces, and the larger society. The consequences of drug abuse are far-reaching, ranging from health challenges, health complications, broken homes, to even increased crime and reduced productivity. As security operatives, you are at the front line of maintaining law and order. However, beyond enforcement, your role in prevention, education, and advocacy cannot be overemphasized. So this training is therefore a vital step in equipping you with the knowledge and tools required to address drug use from a preventive and rehabilitative perspective. I'm particularly pleased that this initiative focuses on the workplace, recognizing that drug prevention must begin in the environment where people live, where people thrive, and where people work. By targeting security leaders, the NDLEA is helping us all to build a ripple effect that will extend to various Lagos institutions and sectors around Lagos State and beyond.
I would just like to thank the NDLEA for carrying out this training and seeing the effectiveness of even talking to their own officers and helping them while they help others. So let me once again commend the NDLEA for their thoughtful initiative and assure you of the continued partnership and support of the Lagos State Security Trust Fund in all effort geared towards building a safer, healthier, and more secure Lagos State.
The only way we can find our bearing back and out of the class Nigeria is currently when it comes to drug issue is programs like this. we all must join hands to fight this terrible battle. Insurgents cannot succeed without the use of drugs. Kidnapping cannot, no sane human being will kidnap somebody, an elderly person, a young child, and detain with sane mind. No sane person will carry weapon and kill a fellow human. The underlying tone of it is drug. So please and please, let us as uniform organization see how best we can put hands together and help Nigeria rid the scourge of drug abuse.
The NDLEA Lagos Command reaffirmed its commitment to sustain partnership with relevant stakeholders in order to build a safer, healthier, and drug-free society.